ChatGPT can now work directly inside PowerPoint. In this video, I will show you how to install the official ChatGPT add-in, connect your account, and use it with a real presentation. Let's start by installing it. Open PowerPoint, go to Add-ins, and search for ChatGPT. Here, make sure you select the official ChatGPT add-in from OpenAI, and then click Add. Then Continue. And once it is installed, ChatGPT opens directly inside PowerPoint. And if you use Excel too, I have a separate video showing how to install and use ChatGPT there. I will leave the link in the description. But before we can start working with our presentation, we need to connect our ChatGPT account. Next, sign in with your ChatGPT account. So you can give your account or your email address here. Type your password, and if you have MFA activated, also provide the code. Once you are connected, ChatGPT is ready to use without leaving PowerPoint. And this is where things get more interesting, because ChatGPT can work with the presentation you already have open. Now let's try with an existing presentation. This is an autumn campaign for Lakeside Market. The presentation already contains the campaign goals, promotion ideas, and the recommended approach. But we are missing an executive summary for management. Instead of going through every slide and writing the summary ourselves, I will ask ChatGPT to review the presentation and create it for us. So here is our prompt, and I will send it. I will click Allow for this chat. And there it is. ChatGPT used the information already in the presentation to create a new executive summary slide with the key points for management. Creating a new slide is useful, but what if we want to improve one that is already here? This slide has the information we need, but let's see if ChatGPT can make it more visual and easier to compare. I will send this prompt. I will be asking to reformat this slide, a new layout, and add in an image. Now we have the same information, but presented in a much more visual way. ChatGPT can do a lot inside PowerPoint, but there are still a few limitations to keep in mind. First, it might not always match your presentation template or preferred style perfectly. Advanced PowerPoint editing, including charts, shapes, detail formatting, and slide management, can also still be limited. And just like with any AI-generated content, you should always review the slides, numbers, and changes before sharing the presentation. And that's it. You now know how to install ChatGPT in PowerPoint and use it to work with an existing presentation or create new slides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.